Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be turning myself into the beautiful Jessica Rabbit. So I absolutely love doing cosplays and I've been wanting to do one of Jessica Rabbit for ages. So here we are. So I'm going to jump straight to the makeup and then the outfit and basically transform this into her. Well, that's the plan. So I hope you guys enjoy. So first things first, I put on like an easy like strapless top, one because her outfit is very much strapless so I don't want like strap marks, and also if I do like my whole face of makeup to then like change outfits into hers I'm going to just mess it all up, so I was like I'll just put this on so if I keep looking semi-naked, I'm not, I am wearing a top, just thought I'd clear that up. But basically the first thing I'm going to start with is the eyeshadow. So she is famous for wearing, well, I think she's famous more for her curves, but she wears very, very purple eyeshadow, and her eyebrows are like low-key up here. I'm not going to move my eyebrows, so I'm going to do a look utilising my own eyebrows if you like, so I'm just going to like do the eyeshadow. But I'm going to stop talking now and jump straight to it. I'm going to be using two purple palettes, so you can see the beautiful purple colours here of, this is the Morph palette and it's like 35p if you wanted to know what colour range it was, and then also this little one here which is from Primark and just has a few colours on it. My friends very kindly lent me these because funny enough I don't own any purple eyeshadow, but we're going to go with it, so enjoy! So that's like the base layer done, which is just like a shimmery sort of like light purple base. I'm now going to go in with a bit of a darker purple and also like cut crease it. I've never done that before, but we're going to give it a go. So I'm going to use the Morph palette for that just because there's more like purple colours in it, so wish me luck. That's my eyes all done. I just went for like the high arch sort of purple look. I'm now going to go and do my base face and then move on to the eyeliner. So now that that's all done, I'm going to move on to my eyeliner now. So I'm just using this eyeliner from Maybelline. It's just like Master Precise, and I'm just going to draw on like some nice wings to sort of, I don't know, finish the look if you like. So that's one down. Time to match it, which is the hard part. So that's what they look like currently. I'm going to go do my eyebrows a bit and put some mascara on, and then it will be onto my lipstick. That's the eyes all done, and I'm quite happy with how they turned out. It's like still very much a Jessica Rabbit look with the purple and like the arch sort of things, but I haven't had to like relocate my eyebrows at all, and I think people will know with the red dress that who I am. So now I'm going to move on to my lipstick. So I'm actually, this is a matte lipstick, but I'm going to throw a gloss over the top because I don't know, I'm feeling like a glossy look. I think it will suit Jessica Rabbit more, so I'm going to go put this on. That's what the red looks like. It's a very red lipstick. It's one from Lime Crime, and I think it's as red can get. It's called New Americana. So my dress is actually sort of like a burgundy red, but I think it's going to look alright. So I'm just waiting for the lipstick to dry. I think it's nearly there, and it's sort of all over my teeth as well, which is not part of the look, but we're going with it. So I'm going to throw on a little bit of this gloss. This is just a cheapy gloss from H&M, so it's literally just to add a little bit of a shine to the matteness of the lipstick. I think it'll just look cuter. And there you have it, the finished look. So I actually love how the lips have turned out, being like a glossy red, and the eyeshadow as well. Like, I love it because she sort of looks down on people like that. Like, that's my Jessica Rabbit face. So I'm ready now, so I'm gonna go grab the outfit. For this cosplay I got a few bits and bobs because Jessica Rabbit is a very curvaceous woman, and I'm not curvaceous, but I wanted to emphasise the curves. So I've got my trusty up bra here to wear with the dress. So this is a strapless bra that has sort of like little panels in it that can just give you that little extra boost by pulling these toggles. I will show you if I have enough hands. So these two things here, I'm going to pull them, and can you see, did you see, there's like a panel in here. There you go, there's like a little panel there. So as you pull those, these panels literally act like your hands do on your chest, so you get that really enhanced cleavage, which is ideal for Jessica Rabbit. So I'll link this down below. This is up bra, and you can get this in nude or black or white, I believe, and I live by these. Like, they work so well. If you want a strapless that stays up, hit them up. And I wear a double D to a triple D in their sizes, so you can use me for sizing, and I wear a 32 band. And you can see here there's all the little different like indents, because this is removable and you like pull it all the way along, so depending how much cleavage you want, you can pull it. So I tend to leave them on their normal setting for like general wear, but maybe for Jessica Rabbit I'll move it along a few just to give the extra boost. So no, I'll link this down below, but live by these, and they have like little grips there as well, so I'll go pop that on in a second. And then I also bought red, don't know why red's in my head, purple satin gloves to match the eyeshadow, because she always wears like the elbow high gloves, so that's these ones. And then of course my hair is not red, so I am ready with a very, very red wig, which I cannot wait to rock. And hopefully it'll have the right sort of shape to it, and the like waves, and then the dress, oh my god, the dress. So I got this dress from Hot Miami Styles. I love their stuff, it just always fits. And I saw this dress and I thought, that just is so Jessica Rabbit. So this is the colour of it, so it's sequins and it's got sort of like a strapless like cowl neck design going on, and it's got like the little sticky stuff here. It's just so elegant, like the way the top is, so love that. So it's not quite, I think Jessica Rabbit has quite a sweethearted neckline, this one's more of a straight cut, but we work with it, it's still gorgeous. And then of course I wouldn't be Jessica Rabbit without the slit. So it isn't quite at the top of my thigh like hers is, well hers pretty much, you know, starts at her waist, but it's still pretty high, but it's just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go put that all on and then I'll show you the whole thing together. You guys would wanna watch me attempt to get the wig on, so it comes in this like netted bag. This is just from like a local fancy dress shop, so it's just a red wig basically, and it's very synthetic, it's not like nice real hair, but I think it will work for Jessica Rabbit. It's a bit curlier than hers is, I think it's made for Poison Ivy, but they're all the same really, it's red hair. So I'm gonna take my hair down and attempt to get this on. I also have put on the up bra just to show you how it looks without the dress on. So I've moved the straps all the way to here just to give the extra like boost, just because if you're gonna need boost, it's when you're dressing like Jessica Rabbit. Let's be honest. To be honest, I should probably be wearing like 4 of these to match some of the photos of her from the cartoon. So I have about 6 hairbands in my hair for some reason. Ugh. Let's get these out. Nearly there. Finally. So I'm going to put my hair in like a low bun, I think is the best option here. I don't really know. My hair is not made to have wigs over the top of it. Literally just done a bun thing like that. Okay, let's try that. Oh no, you can't see my eye makeup. Right, this is going to take some manoeuvring. I literally look like Ariel right now. That's not the look I'm going for. I've got to say, I don't think Jessica Rabbit had a fringe. Let's fold this shit under. Okay, how's that? We're getting a bit better. I'm gonna fold some more underneath. So I'm like trying to low-key straighten out the curls, because she just had waves. So we've got like all these short bits. Tuck them under. Is it gonna let me change its parting? Maybe not. Okay. I think, is that going to be as behaved as it can be? I mean, that's not bad. I'm going to leave it like this. So I'm going to go throw on the dress. Oh my god, with my hair completely sticking out the back. Oh, nightmare. Right, there's not enough wig. Okay, let's put me straight back to the start. I think there might be a lump somewhere, but that's the best we're gonna get. So I'm gonna go put the dress on and the gloves, and then I'll be back. So this is the finished look. So the makeup turned out brilliant. The wig's a little bit on the curly side, but then I have curly hair, so I am the curly haired Jessica Rabbit. But the gloves are great, they literally look exactly like hers do. And then the dress itself, like, I mean, she just wears a strapless red dress that's sparkly, so I feel like I've nailed that. But I'll run back so you can actually see the whole thing. Wow. She sort of like poses, doesn't she? Like, oh, I feel so sassy in this outfit. I feel like Jessica Rabbit is an outfit I needed to do. So that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me turn myself into Jessica Rabbit. Everything worked perfectly. I'm really happy with how my makeup turned out. Just sort of wish I can straighten this wig out, but then there'll be ways to do it. I just need to look them up. It's already getting like less, so just need to play around with that. But yeah, I feel very sassy in this outfit. Like, I can't wait to actually wear this like to a fancy dress party or Halloween. Like, it's great. It's just not very scary for Halloween. I think it's definitely more like a fancy dress party or a costume party, because I love it. So I'm like channeling my inner Jessica Rabbit here. Like, trying to get the right pose. Let me know what you thought and if I nailed the look. I am learning. But no, this was a really fun thing to do, and I'll link the dress. I'll try and find similar gloves and the bra that I'm wearing to get these bad boys. All in the description box, along with all my social media if you'd like to check that out. If you like cosplays, I do them on my Patreon occasionally, so go check that out. But apart from that, this is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.